Want to reach your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? Then this is for you totally free. This video is very short, so please watch till the end and not miss out on important information. For beginners only, do you have 0 to 500 subscribers and 0 to 150 watch hours? You are eligible to join. Let us newbies crack the YouTube algorithm and start making money too. A little about myself. I'm Alan Blythe. I'm a YouTuber since December 2021. Unemployed. Need to earn money for my ever-growing family needs in these terrible times. But nothing I do or try to make money online seems to really work. I'm sure I am not the only one with this problem, so I started to do some research and found that 80% of all new and beginner YouTubers are struggling to get up and running. So I thought we are all struggling, frustrated, and on the brink of giving up on YouTube and every other sort of social media money-making idea or venture that we felt so excited about in the beginning. At this stage I am too old to give up. So I came up with this idea. Beginner YouTubers help each other. Go to my blog and read all about it and start getting your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Please note that the first 1,000 people that join, it is 100% free. Those people that join after that will have to pay a small fee, stipulated on my blog. Please give the newbies a chance to also have success on social media. Do not join if you already have the watch hours and the subscribers that YouTube requires. Join now and get a piece of the $1 billion pie. Thanks for watching.